Good morning, friends. It is Friday, and it's October the 2nd, and so we are going to put that up here on the calendar. It's October the 2nd, and yesterday we had been in school for 18 days, so today we've been in school for 19 days. Because after 18 comes 19. So I'm going to put my puzzle piece for our class puzzle on here. It says 19 on the back of it, so I know which one to use. See? 19 right there. Okay, and I'll put it on here. Ooh, we might have a little bit of evidence today to see what it might be. Okay, let's look. See that? 19 pieces. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We've been in school for 19 days. And on Monday, you're going to come see me. I'm so excited. I can hardly stand it. Ah! Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to write. In my journal. Oh, got to write my name first, don't I? Mrs. Cowan's folder. Here's yours. Okay. My name on here on Friday. Right there, Friday. Okay. Mrs. Cowan. All right. So we've written our name for 2 whole weeks. There's the first week we did it, and then here's this week. Okay? All right. I did that. Now, I can write in my journal. The first thing I do is always the same. Pick up my pencil and write my name. Again. Because the more I practice, M-R-S, the better I get at it. Leave space. Cowan, C-O-W-A-N. That letter right there, that's C. That's C for Cowan, okay? All right, and it is October 2nd. O-C-T-O-B-E-R 2. October 2nd. All right, let's look at what I've written earlier this week because we're still working on our 5 senses. And so the first one on Monday, we were talking about our sense of touch, the way we can feel things with our skin. Like I just felt my arm itching, so I scratched it. I felt cold when I went outside this morning. I felt cold again today when I went outside in the morning. It must be October. Starting to get cold in the mornings. Okay. And then on Tuesday, we talked about hearing. I could hear a rooster when I got to school. Cock-a-doodle. Rooster. This is an ear. I'm going to write on here ear. Okay. And then on Wednesday, we were talking about our sense of smell. I could smell the goats this morning. And there's the sun, and the goat eating my kite, and the grass that he should be eating instead of my kite. All right, and then yesterday, I wrote about seeing, our eyes, our sense of sight. I like seeing my friends at school. And then I labeled all it. There's our friend, Mrs. Cowan, Mr. Ramos. There's a mask on our friends, and that says friends. Okay. So we did touch, we did smell, we did hearing, we've done sight, and so the last one is taste. Taste. Now we can touch things with our tongues and feel things with our tongues, but we also taste with our tongue. So I'm gonna go back over here where I wrote my name and my date, and I'm gonna draw a little smiley face here with his tongue sticking out like that. Okay? Put a circle around it. And because we're doing taste, so I'm going to put tongue on here. It's always one of those words that I forget how to spell, but I think I did it right. Okay, so every morning, I don't know if you've seen me on the video drinking my coffee. I like the taste of vanilla creamer in my coffee. So that's what I'm going to write. I like the taste of vanilla creamer in my coffee. Okay. I like the taste of vanilla creamer in my coffee. That's a lot of words. I like the taste of vanilla creamer in my coffee. Okay. I put one dot for each word, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 words going to be in my sentence. Okay. And I is really easy. I hope you guys know how to write I by now, because I've done it every day. I, straight line down with a cross at the top and a cross at the bottom. I. Leave a little space for the next word. Like. And I'm going to leave another little space. I like the taste. Leave a space. T A taste. I'm not sure I have room here, so I'm going to go back over here so I make sure I have room. Okay. I like the taste of, leave me a little space, vanilla, V-A-N-I-L-L-A, vanilla, it's delicious. Space, creamer, C, just like Cowan, creamer, R-E-A-M-E-R. I like the taste of vanilla creamer in what did I like it in? My coffee. Okay, my. Here's my M. Y. My. Coffee. That's another C word. And I put a period at the end of my sentence so I know that I'm finished. Okay? So that's the end of the sentence. So I can see here where the words are because the letters for the words are close together. For one word, there's the word like. But then there's spaces here. So the spaces tell me where one word ends and the next word begins. So that's where that word ends because there's a space. Okay? Like the taste. I'm showing you one word at a time by going to the spaces to see where the word ends. Of vanilla creamer in my coffee. Okay? So if I asked you, show me one letter, you might show me O for October. This is one letter. Or M over here for Mrs. Or C here for Cowan. There's one letter. Or C here for coffee. Or the V here for vanilla. That's one letter. But if I ask you to show me one word, then that's from one space to another space. Like that, vanilla. Okay? And it's always like that in stuff that we read in our books and our newspapers, on the internet, anywhere we read something, it's going to be like that. We're going to leave spaces between the words so we know when we're reading, that's a clue that a new word started. Okay? All right. So I'm going to draw my coffee. I think I'm going to draw like a, oh, I know what I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a Starbucks cup. If I can find my green marker. It's over here. Because at Starbucks, Mrs. Cowan orders a vanilla latte. Okay. Do you like Starbucks? Sometimes moms will get their kids like a hot chocolate or a frappuccino or a nice fruity drink at Starbucks. And let's see, it's got the girl on it here, and she's a mermaid. I don't remember what it looks like. I'm just gonna make a mermaid then. So here's some arms, and here's her tail, and her hair. Okay. Yep. There's my coffee. And I'm going to write Starbucks on here. Starbucks. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of like steam coming up out of my coffee like that. And this looks weird. I'm going to fix that. Okay. So, there's my writing for today. Okay? I can't wait to see what you're going to write about, what your favorite flavors are, and what you like to taste. Another thing I really like to taste is watermelon. And if I was going to write another story today, which I could if I want to, I could turn the page in my journal and write another story and say I really like to eat watermelon. So in your journals, I'd like for you to write about what you like to drink or eat. What's your favorite flavors? And tell me I like the taste of my favorite flavors. Okay? All right. I hope you have a fantastic day. I love you, and I can't wait to see you on Monday. Goodbye, friends.